For the dissection of sole of foot, the skin incision from the heel up to the proximal margin of the toes. Then a transverse incision along the proximal margin of all the 5 toes. Also remove the skin and superficial fascia from the plantar surfaces of the toes. Reflect the skin flaps on either sides to expose the superficial fascia. Remove the superficial fascia to expose the plantar aponeurosis. Then we will see the structures in various layers. The plantar aponeurosis arising from the calcaneum and passing anteriorly to divide into 5 slabs for the 5 digits. In between the slabs, find the digital nerves and the vessels. The transverse fibers that connect the slabs. Also note a septum that passes from either sides of the aponeurosis, passes deep to be attached to the first and the 5th metatarsal. Divide this septa and divide the aponeurosis close to the calcaneum and reflect it distally to expose the first layer of muscles. In the first layer of muscles, on the medial side, abductor hallucis. On the lateral side, abductor digiti minimi, and in the middle, flexor digitorum brevis. Identify 4 tendons of flexor digitorum brevis attached to the lateral 4 toes. Divide flexor digitorum brevis close to its origin and reflect it distally to expose the second layer of muscles. In second layer, we have 2 long tendons and their associations. Tendon of flexor hallucis longus and the tendon of flexor digitorum longus. In addition, find the lumbricals which arise from the tendons of flexor digitorum longus. Identify another muscle, flexor accessorius, which arises from the calcaneum but is inserted into the tendon of flexor digitorum longus. In this layer, also identify medial plantar artery and the medial plantar nerve. On the medial side, the lateral plantar nerve, which divides into a superficial branch and a deep branch, and the lateral plantar artery. Divide the tendon of flexor digitorum longus in the middle and reflect its parts to expose the third layer of muscles. In the third layer, find adductor hallucis, which has got 2 heads, oblique head and a transverse head. On the medial side, find flexor hallucis brevis, and on the lateral side, find flexor digiti minimi brevis. In the 4th layer are again 2 tendons and the interossei. In the tendons, deep to adductor hallucis, find the tendon of the peroneus longus. and on the medial side find the tendon of tibialis posterior. Also find the plantar interossei which lie between the metatarsals. Also clear the deep fascia from at least one digit and identify the tendons of flexor digitorum longus and brevis. In the middle is the tendon of flexor digitorum longus that is attached to the distal phalanx. On either sides are two slips of the flexor digitorum brevis that is attached to the middle phalanx. Tendons of flexor digitorum brevis and flexor digitorum longus. Trace them distally and see that the tendon of flexor digitorum longus pierces that of brevis to get inserted into the distal phalanx. On the other hand, brevis, the two slips of which unite and are attached to the middle phalanx.